Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So, some time ago, I did a video in which I restored a little Japanese vise that I was going to use on my workbench, and I did, and I use it quite a bit. It functions great as a third hand when I need to hold something and then do something else with my hands. So, and I like it. But it's very loosey-goosey and wobbly. Here, take a look. Let me show you. If you see here, when I open it, well, that's another thing. This thing, I should have designed it in a way where this is either shorter or the base is taller, so that it's easier to turn this around. But in any case, look at this. So, a friend of mine gave me this, which is also a Japanese vise, but it is in much better shape. It obviously needs cleaning up and lubrication and so forth, but I absolutely love vise restoration videos. You know, that's one of my favorite things to do in the shop. So I guess that's it. Let's get after it. Well, as vise restorations go, I think this is one of my favorites. I love how it looks, but more importantly than that, I like how it functions. It's very heavy on the workbench, so once you put it where you want to put it, it's very hard to move. Those rubber feet are great. I wish it was just that much taller, because the windy thing still kind of bumps the ground a little bit. But maybe I could just grind some more off of the end, and that might fix it. We'll see. I did not mess with the anvil portion. In fact, I didn't even tape it off, because I typically don't use the anvil when it's over here on the workbench. My big red vise has a anvil area that I use for that. So I chose to paint it just to keep it from rusting. And anyhow, that's it. I'm real happy. I hope you like it as much as I do. And we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching.